Good morning viewers. Today we are going to discuss about power sets. This is the tutorial of mathematics class 11. Tutorial of mathematics of class 11 and we are discussing about sets. This is the power set we are going to discuss today. Now what is power set? The collection of all the subsets of a set is a power set. Yesterday class we have discussed about subset. Now this is the collection of all subsets of a set A, the collection of all subsets of a set A is called the power set of A, and it is denoted by P of A. Okay. Now let us consider one example. Let A is equal to a set 1, 2, 3. Now we have to find or write the power sets of this set. That is, P of A is also a set which contains all the possible subsets of this set. Now write all the subsets: 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 2, 3 and 1, 3, 1, 2, 3 and null set also. This is the power set. Set 1, set 2, set 3, set 1, 2, a set containing 1, 2, set containing 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Every set is a subset of itself. Therefore 1, 2, 3 is also the subset of this set A. And we have discussed in earlier classes this null set is the subset of every set. Therefore null set is included here. Now you can count it: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, when elements number is 3, the number of subsets is 8. Now there is a formula to find the number, that is cardinal number of PA is equal to 2 to the power n, that is 2 to the power 3 is equal to 8. Okay, 2 to the power n, 2 to the power 3 is equal to 8. If the number is 4, if here the number is 2 to the power 4, that is 16. If it is if the number cardinal number is 5, then 2 to the power 5, that is 32. Okay. The next topic of today is interval. Now what is interval? Interval. Okay. Now there are different types of intervals. Now we have to know the geometrical interpretation of intervals. The first one, draw a number line. 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now take 1 from 4. This is an interval. Put a circle in the boundary points. 1 and 4 are called boundary points. If 1 and 4 are not included in this set, then it is called open interval. X such that 1 less than x less than 4, that is 1 4 open interval. Okay, 1 less than x less than 4, this is called open interval. 1 and 4, both the boundary numbers are not included in the set, and it is denoted by first bracket 1 4 within first bracket. Next number 2, draw the same number line 0 1 2 3 4 5. Now set the circle, set these circles. What does it mean? This is a notation. What does it mean? It means that 1 and 4, both the numbers are included in the set, in the interval. 1 and 4, both the numbers are included in the interval x such that 1 less than equal to x less than equal to 4, and it is denoted by 1 4 within third bracket. Clear? Next come to 3. 1 2 3 4 5. 0 1 2 3 4 5. Now set the circle above 1. Only the circle above 1 is shaded, but it is not. What does it mean? This is mean 1 is included within the interval, but 4 is not. X such that 1 included, that is 1 less than equal to x and less than 4, implies 1 is closed from the left and open from the right. Okay, this is open interval. This is closed interval. Now number 4, draw the number line in the similar way. 1 2 3 4 5. 0 1 2 3 4 5. Take the interval from 1 to 4. Draw a circle and set the circle above 4, and it is empty. That is 4 is included in the interval, but 1 is not. That is notation 1 is not. That is, this interval is closed from the right side and open from the left side. Clear? And these two intervals are called semi-open interval. Clear? This is all about intervals. That is, you can say the intervals are 4 types: open interval, closed interval, and semi-open intervals, which is closed, which is open from right side, and another semi-open interval which is open from left side. Okay. Now there are some exercise problems. Write the following as intervals. Write the following as intervals. The first one is x such that x belongs to set of real numbers and -4 less than equal to x less than equal to 6. That is, this is a closed interval. This is a closed interval, and you write, it is said that write the following as intervals. The interval is closed. Since it is closed, -4 6. Okay. Now the next one is x such that x belongs to set of R, that is set of real number, minus 12 less than x less than minus 10. That is minus 12 and minus 10, both the boundary numbers are excluded from this set. Therefore, this is an open interval. Okay. Now the third one, it is closed from the left and open from the right. Closed from the left and open from the right. Closed means third bracket. Use third bracket. That is 0, 7. Okay. Closed from the left and open from the right. Now the fourth one, closed from both sides. That is 3 less than equal to x less than equal to 4. And if you rub this sign, then 3 less than x less than equal, that is, it is open from left and closed from right. That is open from left 3 and 4. This is also semi-open. Third bracket, use third bracket. Okay, this is closed interval, this is open interval, this is closed from left and this is closed from right. Now next question, write the following interval in set builder form. Set builder means this is the set, this is the set builder form. Now this is interval notation. Here some intervals are given and you have to write it in set builder form. This is set builder form, that is x such that x belongs to R and the limitation. Now the first one is minus 3 comma 0. You can see, my friend, that this is an open interval. This is open from both sides. Now what is your answer? Put a second bracket, x such that x belongs to R, comma, minus 3, 0. That is minus 3 less than x less than 0. Okay. No equal to sign should be given because they are excluded from the set. Now the number 2, 6 and 12, this is a closed interval, this is a closed interval and both the numbers are included. So your answer should be x such that x belongs to R, comma, and put less than equal to sign from both sides. Okay. Now the third one, it is closed from right and open from left. So the answer is x such that x belongs to R, 6 less than, only less than, but here less than equal to 12. Since 12 is included and 6 is not included, 6 is not included. Now the last one, x such that x belongs to R, closed from left and open from right, that is minus 23 less than equal to x less than 5. These are all the answers. This is closed from left, this is closed from right, this is closed interval and this is open interval. Now this is all about today's class. We have learned today definition of power set, some examples, one example of power set and intervals. Power sets, after power sets we have learned interval, closed interval, open interval, semi-open intervals, and this is some exercise. Okay, now if you like my video, please like it and share it and subscribe it, and please do press the bell icon to get the notification of the next classes. Thank you.